Use a professional email marketing tool. Of course, we'd say that. After all, among many other features, GetResponse offers email marketing software. But that's not why I've listed this best practice here. I often see that marketers start their businesses by sending their marketing messages from their own company domain using a tool like Outlook or Apple Mail. Your business grows, and so does your email list. At some point, you start noticing people aren't replying to your messages, even though just a moment ago they seemed interested in your offer. Their change of behavior often may not be related to your sales pitch being ineffective, but in how you're sending your email campaigns. Email marketing tools like GetResponse help you not only to make your emails pretty, with free mobile responsive templates and features like the email creator, but also help you manage your reputation and deliver your messages effectively. Not to mention the fact that email automation can help you measure your campaign's performance and automatically manage your email list hygiene. If you want your emails to avoid the junk folder, note down this tip.